Titus Jogo, OPM Refugee Desk Officer in charge of Mbarara area, hamuna Roger Horo, orukukura United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, ahabwa Mbarara Sub Office, nibo bakurira mukoro gwo kwasa abakuru baza districts motoka. Ogubire hizo bariganya umwebazyo a office ze kitongore ki.
We have been here to hand over vehicles to all the DLDs we are working with as a support to the work they do for UNHCR, for the Ugandan national, but also for refugees living in Uganda.
Which are hosting refugees are the first responders. I want you to look at Kisoro, I want you to look at Kanungu, I want you to look at Toroko, Bundubujo. Whenever we are receiving refugees, with us we are not permanent there, UNHCR and OPM. The NOC one chairman in that village through which the refugees are entering notifies the security. Then the security notifies the office of the chief administrative officer, who will get to the borders and assess the numbers, okay, the levels of destruction and the rest of that, and then they will be able to inform us that there is an influx of what refugees. So they need this mobility.
Bakuru baza district aba basimire kitongore cha UNHCR abwo muganda mahango guba bahire na munongo mu bwiro babire ne bateganisibwa umubyentambura.
Isingiro kuhokta isempunji twine chango chikora omukugeza ho kunywanise bitongore na ofisi yenganzi yihanga hamwe na UNHCR. Wakati bire twine ekizibu cyentambura akwisingiro nimpango settlements nibiri na Chivale na Noruchinga
supporting us in saying that we handle issues of refugees in accordance to the international standards. So I need to thank so much the support that we have received from UNHCR. As a district, we have not been having a vehicle.
Districts hirgo buyambovu zirimu Isingiro, Ntoroko, Chegegwa, Kanungu, Chikube, Kamwenje, Bundubujo, kandi hamwe nezo zona ezirime myanya rukuturwa mempunji. Omuganda makuru bankazirwanaho abarwanira hortara hagati y'abahekera ba Allied Democratic Forces hamwe n'abanaru nibo barkwetombitira government abwo butabijuka ebayambiri hanga. Aba babire ne batongoza ehuru yo kurondera President Museveni akaruru akarukwija.
We are calling upon the president to reward us, give us at least a reward in that our children can be able to study, be taken to higher education institutions.
Ukweshima muzisi tuto mshuguriro omusha kubiza excellence Museveni amane government NRM ye government eyama bitsomesha ngubendani kandi eyama betuhabula onwabiro ndukatendo mwasha shute twanga kola obula ko bukakwanyira
aho lero engura kulana ya matsuka deba tulia tukirengura kulana yi kikale kiwabana amanyumba wobunyazi sakiri hawe tro hano habo buhoro obe government yatekireho kikale kiwabangira yatilisa amanyumba wese akuloka no wamanda kabya manene.
Lieutenant Joe Warusimbi orgo mujocero wa president kandobira rwo mugenyi mukuru wabahamize ngo nshonga zabo na munonge cemidari hamwe nebindi nibiza kukorwaho
kwagala kuruno NRM ekube bimwampa ana munana mwasija kusiba naye kati jagala nsanvu kasese yonna mutegede bulungi konja akabwati entayisima aba muloyi
oyite sima kabe muloyi
oyite sima aba muloyi.
Abantu begitiro mu kibina cha Kasese District LDUs SPCs hamwe na Guides wo Veterans Development Association kandi nibarengo mutwaro okwetorora district yona. Gasha kwa Sengendo Abdukalim na Gilbert Mahanguzi.